National Security Minister Dr. Horace Chang said the government is considering facial recognition technology to help in fighting crime. Dr. Chang said it will be among a slew of modern technology the police are considering.
This goes from simple having cameras at stoplights that monitor, that can recognize both license plates and facial recognition. If you have them at the critical stoplights, then you don't need hundreds of policemen continuously on the road. You can spot an infraction. When he turns up the lights of his car, he either pays his fee or his charge, or you can check him anywhere at any time. You may spot miscreants who are trying to escape.
Dr. Chang was speaking earlier today at the LASCO Jamaica Constabulary Force 2018-2019 Police Officer of the Year luncheon at the Jamaica Pegasus. Davian Martin, a constable based at the Area 3 Police Headquarters, was selected the Police Officer of the Year. The first and second runners-up were Florizel Thompson and Noel Chang.